Okay, guys, welcome back to Backbenchers Academy.
Hashtag Mayank sir.
What? Hashtag Mayank sir. Yes. So we have done two parts of the video, transportation in plants and animals. Okay. So last day, Katrina had not given us the picture of phloem. Okay, this page was left. So we are going to do phloem today. So have you understood xylem, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you liking the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Will you remember it now from class 6, 7, 8 onwards? Can you remember it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Also show the video to your parents. Okay. If you show it to your parents, they will also learn it. So if you want me to upload more videos of the classes, what you have to do?
Sir,
Subscribe,
Backbenchers
like,
Academy,
comment.
hashtag Mayank sir.
share and comment. And
Comment.
press the
Okay.
bell icon and switch it in all.
Okay, I've already uploaded 2 videos now. So you should watch both the videos of xylem and phloem. If you want me, I upload more of the videos, just tell me. I will upload all the videos for you people. So that it becomes very easy for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to do the part 2 today. That is the phloem part. Okay. Yesterday, you remember, we have
Yes, sir.
yesterday we have studied about xylem, and xylem had 4 parts. Okay. And what were the 4 parts of xylems? 4 types of cells. Actually, it's not 4 parts. It's 4 types of cells.
Vessels.
Vessels. Very good. Then tracheids. And
Tracheids,
xylem fibers and
Xylem.
xylem parenchyma.
xylem fibers,
Xylem fibers.
chyma.
And xylem parenchyma. And which was the
Xylem
part which was the cell which was living cell was xylem parenchyma was living cell.
Xylem chyma.
Parenchyma. Okay.
Parem.
Now, if you
Yes,
see, let me. I want you to remember this. Okay, all of you remember this. I'm just writing it for you. Where is this option gone? Okay, the xylem had 4 parts, and they were vessels. Okay, then tracheids. Okay, and I am writing this part down because there is something which is going to help you in remembering it. Okay, so there are xylem fibers, and the another
And
part is
xylem,
parenchyma. Okay, xylem parenchyma.
xylem chyma.
Parenchyma. Okay. Now there is one
Yes.
problem. Now the problem is that phloem also has 4 parts. Okay, phloem also has 4 parts. Now you have to remember so many. Na 4 of xylem, 4 of phloem. So how are you going to remember it? So I'll make it little easy for you. See, 2 parts are actually common. Okay, phloem fibers. There is phloem fibers. So fiber is both in xylem and fiber is also in phloem. Okay, दोनों में है. ठीक है? Adyan,
Okay,
where are
sir.
you watching? You're talking to whom, Adyan?
No, sir. I am
Yes,
not
sir.
talking to
Huh? I don't want anybody to disturb. Okay. So phloem fibers is there, and phloem parenchyma is also here. Okay, phloem parenchyma.
Chyma.
So can you see something common in xylem and phloem? What is common? There is xylem fiber and xylem parenchyma. There is phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma. So you can remember these two.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And there are 2 more parts of the phloem, which is the sieve tube and finally companion cells. Okay.
Okay, sir.
तो अब आप लोग को याद हो जाएगा आसानी से, है ना? क्या कॉमन क्या है? xylem fiber, it is there.
Xylem fibers, xylem,
Xylem
phloem
fibers.
fiber, दोनों में
Phloem
fiber है.
fibers.
दोनों में fiber है. Fiber is common in both.
Fiber.
So xylem fiber and phloem fiber, and parenchyma is also common in both. So xylem parenchyma and xylem phloem parenchyma. तो ये तो याद हो जाएगा आराम से, right?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
और यहाँ पर there are 2 more parts, vessels and tracheids, और यहाँ पर है sieve tubes and companion cells. तो अब ये याद हो जाएगा सबको?
हाँ, sir.
Difficult
Yes,
लग रहा है?
sir.
It is not that difficult, ना?
नहीं, sir.
Okay.
No,
very
sir.
good. Okay. So now we are going to read the phloem part. So what is a phloem? Phloem is also a complex conducting tissue. Yesterday we discussed what is complex. Complex means it is made up of many parts. Na? So obviously phloem is also
Yes,
a
sir.
complex conducting tissue. It is made up of 4 types of cells. What are the 4 types? We have just read: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Na? Now what is the function of a
Fibers,
sieve
yes.
tube? Sieve tube. Na? These are tube-like structure. They are made of elongated and thin-walled cells joined end to end. The end walls are perforated. That is perforated. You know what is the meaning of the word perforated?
Sir, no.
Perforated
Sir, no,
basically
sir.
means having holes. तुम लोग ने अपने घर में वो देखा है टी स्टेनर, वो चाय छकनी होता है ना,
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
तो उसके अंदर
Yes,
यू
sir.
नो देयर आर होल्स इन इट, राइट?
Sir, like
Yes, sir.
tomato in the leaves.
हाँ हाँ, लेकिन वो तो छोटा होता है. वेरी गुड, गुड 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 थिंग यू सेड. अब सपोज करो मैनी टाइम्स तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा ऐसा आयरन का एक तो सपोज करो शीट है और उसके अंदर ना छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे होल्स. ओके, छोटे छोटे होल्स. दिस इज नोन एज परफोरेटेड. ओके, ये परफोरेशन से क्या होता है, चीज अंदर बाहर माने दे कैन एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाए, माने वो थोड़ा सा इजीली ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं चीज. ओके, तो इसमें जो होता है सीव ट्यूब्स में उनके वहां पर भी एक तो ऐसा पोर्स होता है, ठीक है. दे आर कॉल्ड सीव प्लेट्स. दे कंडक्ट फूड. यहाँ से फूड निकलता है. क्या होता है यहाँ से?
फूड निकलता है.
अंडरस्टूड?
Fully.
तो तुमने अपने घर में देखा है ऐसा ऐसा कुछ देखा है घर में तुम लोगों ने? वो देखा मम्मी के पास सीव होता है तो इस तरह की, तुम देखिएगा मम्मी के पास
सर
ऐसी-
आटा.
हाँ, आटा छानने के लिए होता है ना, जाली वाला.
हाँ
हाँ,
सर,
sir.
जो ऐसे ऐसे करके आटा छानते हैं
हाँ,
उसमें.
ऐसे ऐसे करके आटा छानते हैं, उसको हम लोग सीव बोलते
तो
हैं. क्या बोलते
सर्कल
हैं
टाइप
उसको?
रहता है.
जानता, उसका नाम ही सीव है, उसको हम लोग सीव ही बोलते हैं. अगर तुम बाजार में अगर
तो
जाएगा,
सीविंग.
सीविंग, हाँ सीविंग अपन ने किया था ना उसमें भी, ठीक है. तो
हाँ सर.
सीव बोलते, इसको क्या
Sir,
बोलते हैं?
sixth
ये ऐसा लिसन टू मी, हमारे घर में जो आटा चालनी होती है उसको इंग्लिश में हम लोग सीव बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं?
सीव बोलते हैं.
हाँ, तो इफ सपोज इफ यू गो टू अमेरिका और वहां पर जाके इफ यू गो एंड से कि हमको आटा चालनी दे दो, वो तुमको एक थप्पड़ दे देगा, ठीक है. तो तुमको वहां जाके क्या बोलना पड़ेगा? हमको सीव दे दो. तो उसी सीव से यहाँ पे नाम आया है सीव ट्यूब. तो इसके अंदर सीव से मतलब ही होता है होल्स. परफोरेटेड, परफोरेटेड का मतलब होता है छेदा 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 छेदा, जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गैप होता है, ठीक है. तो दिस सीव ट्यूब एक्चुअली दे आर परफोरेटेड, दे हैव पोर्स. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द सीव ट्यूब? द फंक्शन ऑफ द सीव ट्यूब इज टू कंडक्ट फूड. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Where is this girl? Katrina? This is Katrina's chapter,
Yes.
na, basically.
Yes, sir.
So are you
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now companion cells का बात कर ले तो second part is the companion cells. They are also elongated. Elongated का basically meaning होता है stretch हो जाना, लंबा कर देना उसको, ठीक है. Thin walled cells, they are placed adjacent to sieve tubes and are connected to by pores. They also help in conduction of food material. Obviously, जो फ्लोम है उसका काम ही है फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना. तो वो लोग का सबका काम क्या होगा? फूड को कलेक्ट करना और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना. फिर फ्लोम फाइबर्स का बात कर लेते हैं. दे आर थिक वॉल्ड स्पिंडल शेप डेड सेल्स मेड अप ऑफ sclerodermatous fibers. They give mechanical strength to the plant. ठीक है. तो फ्लोम फाइबर्स का काम क्या होता है? टू गिव मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ. एंड पैरेन्काइमा का भी काम, जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा था, जाइलम पैरेन्काइमा का काम क्या था? स्टोर फूड ना. डू यू रिमेंबर?
हाँ सर.
क्या
Yes,
काम था?
sir.
दे स्टोर फूड. तो लाइकवाइज फ्लोम पैरेन्काइमा आल्सो स्टोर फूड. तो ये जो फंक्शन है दोनों में कॉमन हो गया. पैरेन्काइमा दे एक्चुअली स्टोर फूड. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us move forward. Functions. Let us see the functions. Okay. The phloem transferred food prepared by the leaves to other parts of the plant. The food move in both direction, upward and downward. Obviously ना, ऊपर और नीचे तो सब जगह जाना पड़ेगा. ट्री जो है वो तो सब जगह खाना खाएगा ना. Even the roots are going to eat food. They also need food. The stems need food. Everybody need food. तो फ्लोम का काम क्या होता है? They distribute food throughout the plant cell, plant body. Okay. एवरीवेयर, ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, है ना. तुम्हारा हेड को भी एनर्जी चाहिए. हेड के जो सेल्स है उनको भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए और जो लेग के सेल्स है उनको भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. यू नीड ऑक्सीजन एवरीवेयर. लाइकवाइज द प्लांट्स नीड
Yes,
फूड
sir.
एवरीवेयर. सो फ्लोम का काम क्या होता है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट फूड एवरीवेयर. ओके.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. द फूड मूव्स इन बोथ डायरेक्शन, अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड. द फूड गोज अपवर्ड आल्सो, द फूड गोज डाउनवर्ड आल्सो. अंडरस्टैंड? द फूड गोज हियर आल्सो and the food goes downward also. The sieve tubes conduct food along with companion cells. The phloem fibers give mechanical strength. This so we have read. Okay, this is finished. So, Katrina.
Yes, sir.
Now, is this chapter becoming easy for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yesterday we were studying about importance and water and minerals. So, we have done the water part, I guess. Now, we have done the water part. We have done
Yes,
the transpiration part. Today, we are going to talk about minerals. Okay. So minerals are necessary for the growth and development of plants. Plants get these minerals from the soil. So from where did the plant get minerals?
From the soil.
Soils. Okay.
Soil.
Yes. So on the basis of quantity, these minerals can be divided into two groups, micro and macro. Micro का मतलब होता है बहुत small, छोटा, ठीक है? And macro
So
means थोड़ा
bacteria,
सा बड़ा.
fungi.
हाँ, क्या? What do you say, Happy?
So bacteria and fungi.
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो तो
Microorganisms.
मैक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हो गया. दिस आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. न्यूट्रिएंट्स का मतलब खाना ना. तो माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स मतलब छोटे न्यूट्रिएंट्स माने छोटा खाना, और मैक्रो माने उससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा, ठीक है? तो माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज, whereas मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स रिक्वायर इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी, ठीक है? तो माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स तुम लोग से एग्जाम में डेफिनेटली पूछ लेगा, व्हाट आर द माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स लाइक आयरन, ठीक है? आयरन हमारा यहाँ पर मेरे ख्याल से देयर इज सम पार्ट व्हिच हैज एक्चुअली व्हाट इज 1 2 3 गॉन फ्लो.
Sir, I am having network issues.
No. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking to Katrina. Katrina, I mean, the way you have actually taken the picture, you have missed the part 1, 2, and 3. This is 4, 5, 6 now. Where is 1, 2, and 3 gone?
There are only three importance of water.
अच्छा चलो, ओके. माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स का बात कर ले तो आयरन, जिंक एंड मैंगनीज. ओके, these are the micro nutrients. So with this we need in very small quantity. This constitutes the certain enzymes and proteins, yellowing and leaves and weak steam. Now you know if there is a deficiency of iron in plants, the leaves will become yellow. Okay, क्या समझा? अगर plants को iron नहीं मिलेगा तो plants के leaves क्या हो जाएंगे? They will become yellow.
Yellow.
Again, the video of everybody is off. What is the problem going on? Katrina, why your video is
Sir,
off?
Sir, like when we walk in the streets, then there are yellow leaves there.
Yes, that basically means that there is a deficiency of iron. Okay. Again, if there is a deficiency of zinc, it controls the activity of certain enzyme and is constituent of the plant hormones. अगर जिंक का कमी होगा तो फिर yellowing of leaves, deformed leaves and stunted growth in plants. Stunted का बेसिकली मतलब होता है कि स्टंटेड का बेसिक मतलब होता है कि ग्रोथ कम हो गया, माने ग्रोथ इज नॉट हैपनिंग, तो स्टंट ग्रोथ होता है. ओके, स्टंट का मतलब कि नॉर्मल ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा. देखता ना कोई नाटा रह जाता है प्लांट्स, so that is because of the what is there is a lack of zinc. Okay, zinc का कमी है. समझ में आ रहा बात?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ, तुम लोग को इंटरेस्टेड नहीं लग रहा पढ़ने में? क्या बात है? You don't want to study today? सब साइक्लोन देख रहा है?
सर नहीं सर, मेरे को डर लग रहा है.
हाँ, क्यों? अब तो साइक्लोन आ नहीं रहा है, क्यों डर लग रहा है?
सर नहीं सर, आ रहा है.
हाँ?
बहुत तेज बारिश हो रहा है.
अरे कहाँ आ रहा है? Who said? Cyclone is going. It's not coming to Bengal. Cyclone is going to Odisha, but very sad again.
Sir,
Cyclone is coming, sir.
Who said?
Yes, sir. Raining is
Sir.
coming.
Rain is coming, na. The main cyclone portion has gone to Odisha. It's going to go through Odisha. It's not going to hit
no,
Bengal.
sir, it is fake.
What fake?
Sir, it has turned slight left from Bengal, and now when it
Sir,
will
it
go
keep-
further.
It is
Sir.
coming at 3 p.m.
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, wait, sir, let me see
Cyc-
once.
Cyclone is coming at 3 p.m.
Who said that?
Sir, no, sir. Cyclone
Sir,
is not
in the
coming.
news it is saying.
Acha, it's okay. Now leave it. Let's finish this. Manganese also means yellowing of leaves with gray spots. Okay. So this we have done now. This part is completed. Phloem and xylem part is completed. Okay. Now we have to do. This is a very important part. Okay. This is a part 2 also. I never saw this. The diffusion and osmosis part. Okay. Diffusion and osmosis is very important. Very, very important. So we are not going to do diffusion and osmosis today. We are going to talk on transpiration. Okay, transpiration is also there. The third part is also there. So this is a very big chapter, Katrina.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we are going to discuss about osmosis and diffusion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
So,
can we do?
Yes, tell me.
Can we do rural local self-government today?
No, today we will just see. So I am stopping this video now. Okay. So this part is complete. Xylem and phloem part is complete. So there are 3 videos on it. Watch it, share it with your friends. And if you people want, just tell me give me the comment. Then I'll make the video on osmosis and diffusion also. Okay. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
And lucky तुमको डरने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. कुछ नहीं होगा. It's everything is fine. ठीक है? चलो बाय बाय
Sir,
एवरीबॉडी.
it's taking a slight left and it's going further and then it will take a right, then it will go to Bangladesh.
Okay, so what you have to do? Subscribe, like, comment. Okay, and help us reach
Subscribe,
1 million
like,
subscribers.
comment. And reach 1 million subscribers.
चलो बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी.
And
ठीक है, and rejoin the meeting.
The
Okay?
class over.
No.